how to make a LinkedIn post using WriteSonic. So in order to do that, we need to head over and scroll down and then just click on here for LinkedIn post. So you can actually search for it if you can find it. Now, once you have clicked on this LinkedIn post, you will be redirected to this one. It will ask your primary focus for your LinkedIn post. So for example, for this, I'll head over and then put in here job offer. Say something like that right here for HR head. Then click on this on the next. Then you can put in here your engagement goal. Let's generate some leads. Click on next. And then from in there, it will actually show you in here the job requirements like MBA, experiences, leadership skills, and a lot more. They also have some suggestions. So in here, you can also put in your company benefits like competitive salary, career growth, creative culture, and a lot more. And then you can head over and then generate using the specific things that you have inputted in here. As you can see right here, it has given us this post that we can use. So you can head over and then just edit it according to your liking and put in here your company name. And then you can edit it out if you want to add some more things as well. So that's how you make a LinkedIn post using WriteSonic. Hope we help.